Hey everyone, ready to turn on your camera in Microsoft Teams and show you smile in meetings? In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to access and use your camera in just a few clicks. Let's go. First, open up Microsoft Teams and make sure you are signed in. When you are about to join a meeting, you will land on the prison screen. Right there, you will see a camera toggle switch. Just click it to turn on your camera. Need to pick a different camera? Click three dot next to your profile picture, tap Settings and tap Device. And down there you will see Camera. Choose your preferred camera from the drop-down list. Already in a meeting and want to turn your camera on or off? Just click the little camera icon on the meeting toolbar. It's simple. And that's it. You have got your camera ready to go in Microsoft Teams. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell icon for more quick tutorials.